I am. Holy brightness. Yeah, look at that sun flare. What I'm doing right now is, when we have drone footage, we obviously can't use the audio because all it would sound like is, it'd sound like this. So yeah, we obviously can't use that, and one thing that makes a video feel more full, I guess, is when it has sound design. So that means, like, yeah, there's music and stuff, but you don't want just music. It feels a little empty when it's just music, and we're not making a music video. We're trying to tell a story. So typically what I do is I'll go online and I'll search for certain sound effects when I obviously can't use them, like water or field or trees, leaves. But the one that I'm struggling to find online right now is a gravel road. I'm trying to get the sound of a car driving on a gravel road, but from like a distance. I've been able to find all these different... That grandma just pulled out in front of us. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going way out into the middle of Timbuktu. To get the sound of a gravel road so that I can implement it into a video. So I brought an audio recorder so that I can capture the sound of a distant car driving on a gravel road. Yeah, I can't see the screen when I'm wearing sunglasses, but it's so freaking bright that like I can't see the screen when I'm not wearing sunglasses. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it over here, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna drive my car on that gravel road way over there. Alright, so yeah, here's a video without the audio I recorded. Now, here's a video with the audio I recorded. So if you can notice, it kind of helps make the video feel more full. But who knows? So yeah, alright, well, I hope everyone has a good 4th of July. Alright, peace and blessings.